Hi, I'm Dr. Emoji, and I present to you the Pyramid Model Project, Parent Workshops, a collaboration between the University of Miami Department of Psychology, the Miami-Dade County Public School Early Childhood Programs, and the Miami Children Initiative. Welcome back! We are halfway there. This is session 3 of the 6 sessions. Positive Solutions for Families. Why do children do what they do? Okay, now, let's do a quick review. Remember, make your expectations clear. Tell your child what to do instead of what not to do. Clearly and simply state what you expect your child to do. Have age-appropriate expectations and use age-appropriate language. Why do children exhibit these behaviors? Well, children want attention, whether it's negative or positive, and will repeat these behaviors if they see that they attain the response from their parents. So, what can parents do when they see their children exhibiting these behaviors? Well, they can teach them breathing exercises, they can go for walks, or they can use toys to help their children calm down. Okay, here are some examples to get you going. What's a better way to say, stop yelling, use a quiet voice, don't throw your toys, keep your toys on the floor, stop bothering your sister, keep your hands to yourself. Okay, let's keep going. Did you know that there were rules for rules? Yep, let me show you. You should only pick 3 to 5 rules so that they are easy to remember. State the behavior you want to see instead of the ones you don't want to see. Be descriptive. What does the behavior you want to see look like? Pick rules that can be applied in a lot of situations. Was that confusing? Well, you know we got you covered. Here are some examples for these rules. Clean up after yourself. Use an inside voice. Ask before you use something that is not yours. Use words to solve problems. Here are some additional tips that you might find useful. Use pictures to teach these rules. So get out your camera, snap a photo of what you want your child to do. Post it, model it, practice and notice it when it's done and praise it. If your rule is to clean up, show him or her how it's done. Okay, now it's your turn. Things to try at home. Determining the meaning of the behavior. Developing household rules. And remember, have fun with your child. Okay, that's it for session 3. But don't forget to be on the lookout for our next video on problem solving for challenging behavior. That's it for now, but check out our other videos. Till next time, Dr. Emoji signing out.